Well, there was the gutter, that's a paved road, and on one side was the smaller homes. A little further down were the larger homes. Across the street there was a little candy store, a little kosher store, where a friend of mine's father used to kosher all the chickens, and he used to buy the meats and kosher the meats and, salt them and leave them stay for a while. And there was a drugstore on the corner, and nobody had a telephone. So if you wanted to make 2 or 3 cents, you used to hang out by the drugstore. And if anybody called you at the drugstore's telephone and you were there, and let's say the person that this other person on, I don't know if you understand me, somebody would call the drugstore's telephone for them to go get a person that lived in the neighborhood to come to the telephone at the drugstore to answer it so they can talk with each other, because nobody else had telephones. And if you, like what I did, hung around the drugstore and there was a telephone call, you would go and run to get that person and bring them back to the drugstore to answer the telephone, and that person would give you maybe 2 or 3 cents, or if you were lucky, a nickel, for coming to them and telling them. And that's how we made a couple of pennies